Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can kern text in Affinity Designer in 2026. So let us get started. Alright guys, so what you want to do is navigate to your text on your canvas or design on Affinity. Then what you want to do guys is navigate to this button in the top right corner next to the color box. And from the drop down menu, click into panels. And here under panels, make sure that you switch on character. So let me just close that window. What you want to do next, guys, is here, scroll down and under position and transform, if needed, expand it. You may use this option here for kerning, right? Click into it. And then you may, for example, position your cursor, I don't know, for example, here. And then apply the kerning effect, right? So if I move it to, let's say, 25%, it would look like this. And yeah, you can browse through that list and see the preview, how it would look like, right? So that's how I do it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.